Hello everyone! This is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet tank top. In this video, I'll show you how to work front and back parts and finish up the top. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochet tank top. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. In the first part of the video tutorial, I showed how to work the first 7 rounds. Now I'll show you how to finish the project. When you crochet to your underarms, work your last round a little bit differently. Chain 1 to pick up the height, then work the repeat. Chain 1, 2 single crochets under a chain 5 times. After that, work a repeat. Make a long loop, skip one bump and make a bump 16 times. You should have 16 bumps, and then just like here, work chain 1, single crochet 2 under a chain 5 times. After that, work like here. Make a long chain, bump into a chain 14 times. After 14 bumps, chain 1, skip the bump, and then work single crochet 1, picker, and then 1 slip stitch into the first chain. Now work rows instead of rounds. Work 1 more slip stitch and 2 chains, then turn. For the first row, work 1 double crochet, then chain 1, skip a bump, work 2 double crochets under a chain, and then just repeat. Chain 1, skip a bump, 2 double crochets under a chain. At the end of the first row, chain 1, skip last bump and work double crochet decrease. For that, work unfinished double crochet and then 1 more unfinished double crochet and then finish it. Work 3 returning chains and turn. Second row, insert the hook into the fifth chain from your hook and work unfinished double crochet. Then one more unfinished double crochet and finish it. And then work one more double crochet decrease. After that, work just double crochets to your last 5 chains. At the end of the second row, work also double crochet decrease. One and second one. And then work just double crochet one. Two returning chains and turn. Third row, work similar to the first one. Insert the hook into the first chain from your hook and work double crochet one. This is my decrease. Then chain 1, skip 1, double crochet 2 to your last 3 chains. At the end of the third row, chain 1, skip 1 and work double crochet decrease. Three returning chains and turn. Work the fourth row totally the same as the second one. To crochet the back part, attach the yarn right before the very first bump. Then make a chain, skip one bump and continue the pattern. Make a bump, then again long loop, skip one bump, make a bump and so on. At the end of the first row, work chain 1, skip a bump and work slip stitch 1. Now work 2 returning chains and turn. Now work 4 rows totally the same as for the front part. Double crochet 1, chain 1, skip a bump, double crochet 2 and so on. Again, work the back part totally the same as the front part. At the end of the fourth row, work 33 chains. Now join the back and front parts together with the slip stitch. Chain 3 to pick up the height, and then just work double crochets. Again, work one double crochet onto each chain, and now where you don't have chains, work half double crochets to your last round. Now work half double crochet decrease, and then work half double crochets, and in this corner work also half double crochet decrease, and then work half double crochets to your double crochets. Now just work one slip stitch into the third chain. Second round, chain 2, then work double crochet 1, and then continue. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet 2. Then again, work chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet 2. At the end of the round, chain 1 and work slip stitch 1 into the second chain. Third round, chain 2 to pick up the height, then work double crochets. Double crochet 15 and then work double crochet decrease. Then again work double crochets and continue working half double crochets as usual. Round 4, work 3 slip stitches, and then 3 chains. Then work 1 slip stitch into the same base chain. Now just repeat again 3 slip stitches, three chains, slip stitch into the same base chain. Work the repeat to end of the round. Work the same pattern, slip stitch 3, chain 3, slip stitch 1 into the same base chain around the neck also. For that, you may work slip stitches on the wrong side of the garment to this side, from here to this, and continue working the pattern. Crochet the 4 rounds, totally the same as these 4 rounds. Then attach the yarn to the initial foundation chain and work the edge round. After that, the top is ready, and thank you for watching.